Hi, so I'm Maggie Marr. I am a USA Today bestselling author of over 20 books. I'm also the founder of Maggie Marr Legal PC, which is an intellectual property law firm dedicated to legal solutions for creative people. Today, I want to talk a little bit about copyright. So, this goes out to any sort of creative entrepreneur with regards to copyright. I want to just drill into it for a little bit. First of all, what is copyright? I get that a lot. So, copyright is a legal device that provides the creator of a work of art, literature, or a work that conveys information or ideas the right to convey how the work is used. So basically, what that means is that when you create something, and I'm just going to use books because so many of my clients are book authors as sort of the example moving forward. So when you write a book, you are the copyright owner of that book. And the thing is that book, that one sort of book, can have a myriad or multiple revenue streams that come from it, ancillary and subsidiary rights. So if you think about the book as a seed, and you plant the seed, and from that seed sprouts a giant tree, and each branch is a different revenue stream. You, as the copyright holder, get to determine whether or not you want to exploit each one of those revenue streams, right? So those rights for you as the author or any copyright holder include reproduction rights, distribution rights, the right to create adaptations, aka derivative works, or performance and display rights. You control all of those rights as the copyright holder. So how long does a copyright last? It lasts a long time, right? So works created after 1977 is the life of the author plus 70 years. So what happens is that an author's copyright may only be exploited or exercised by the author or a person or entity the author has licensed, transferred, or sold all or part of their rights to. So super important, copyright is automatic. One of the questions I get is, how is copyright created? Well, copyright is automatic. Yeah. A copyright comes into existence the moment an author or creator fixes his or her words into a tangible form. So there are a few common copyright misconceptions. One of them is that a work must be registered with the U.S. Copyright Office to be protected by copyright. No, copyright is automatic. Another misconception, only works that have the copyright symbol on them are protected by copyright. Nope, copyright is automatic. No one can use a protected work without the copyright owner's permission. No, this has never been true. You can use protected works as long as they fall within the bounds of fair use. However, I would not advocate for anyone to rely on fair use unless they've done some adequate research, because fair use is very specific, and it's a defense. You can copyright a great idea. No. Copyright only protects the expression of the idea, not the idea itself. So while copyright is automatic, best practices are that you put a valid copyright notice on all your published works and you register your work with the U.S. Copyright Office after publication. Why would you register your work with the U.S. Copyright Office if your copyright is automatic in case of infringement? There are some definite benefits that you get from registration of your copyright. One of them is that it shifts the burden of proof to the infringer. So now you, having filed with the Copyright Office and being the holder of the official copyright, now if there is a problem where someone has infringed upon your work, that individual has to prove that they actually are the copyright holder instead of you having to prove that you are. So it shifts the burden of proof to the infringer. 2, it makes the author eligible for statutory damages, which can become important if someone has infringed upon your copyright. And then 3, it makes you eligible for attorney's fees if it would ever come to that. So that's it for now. I wanted to go over some of these basic elements of copyright and let you know why it's important for you as an author to file for your copyright. You absolutely can do it yourself. You do it at the U.S. Copyright website, 100% able to do it. So go ahead, take that information. As always, you can reach out to me at Maggie at maggiemarlegal.com. Always happy to help with your questions. If you found this video helpful to you, if you would please press the like button, I really appreciate it. And if you would subscribe, that would be great too, because that way we know we elevate in the logarithms and you get a little ping every time we have a new video that comes out. Thank you for your time today. Have a great day.